Amway Home presents for the first time Amway Home Retailing Kit. This handy and portable kit assists you in conducting product demos efficiently and helps create lasting impressions about Amway Home products on new prospects and customers. This kit contains 20 items in total. Let's get to know each of them and how they are to be used. There are 4 nozzle bottles in the kit for storing different products. Bottle with blue cap to store Sa8, bottle with green cap to store LOC, bottle with bright yellow cap to store dish drops, and bottle with dark yellow cap to store oil, which is used in one of our dish drops demo. Then there are 2 spray bottles. One is to store LOC glass cleaner and the other one is to store Zoom. This is the funnel included in the kit, which is used for transferring the products to these demo bottles. Let's transfer Amway Home products to these demo bottles. As you can see, this blue colored cap nozzle bottle has a nozzle over it which needs to be opened first. Then you can place the funnel over it, which can be used to pour Sa8 product on the. Please ensure to clean the funnel before and after each product transfer. And now these bottles are ready to use for the demos. These smart and slender shaped bottles fit in easily in the bag and are convenient to carry. There are 3 jars in the kit. 2 big jars to use for Sa8 demo and this small jar to store the powder detergent. Also, this kit contains 1 stainless steel spoon, 1 straw, 1 tile, 1 mirror, 3 cotton handkerchief, 1 pack of chewing gum, 1 pack of shoe polish, and 3 exclusive Amway Home leaflets. All this is contained in the trendy Amway Home branded bag, which has smartly designed different compartments to fit in each of the demo tool. So this ready-to-use, completely loaded retailing kit helps carry out the product demos conveniently and effectively and ease the retailing of Amway Home products. Now we will do different Amway Home product demos using this retailing kit. The first demo which we will do is of Sa8 Gels Sa8 demo. For this, we require both of our demo jars to be half filled with water. Along with that, we also do require Market XYZ detergent powder and of course the Sa8 Gels product. In this, in 1 jar, you just take half spoonful of Market detergent powder and in the next jar, just take a few drops of Sa8 Gels. Now cover both the jars, lid, and then shake the jars to mix both the products evenly. Now we need to shake both the jars so that the product gets mixed evenly in both the jars. Then we shake this. After shaking both the jars, here we can see that the Sa8 Gels based water is clear absolutely and this Market XYZ detergent powder is not clear at all. And hereafter we can also see that there are few sediments which are there lying at the bottom and here it is not absolutely. Finally, let's see what happens to both the jars suds once they are kept for a few minutes. So after keeping the jars for a few minutes, here we can see that the suds formed in the Sa8 Gelzyme jar is quite low in comparison to the jar of the market detergent. That clearly states that we will be requiring less amount of energy, time and water to rinse our clothes. So now we will do Amway Home LOC shoe polish demo. For this, we require one cotton handkerchief, one shoe polish and then a bowl filled with water. What we will do is, we will take some shoe polish and apply it on our hands. Just on top of it, we will drop a few drops of LOC multipurpose cleaner. Then we will rub the LOC cleaner with our fingers on this shoe polish. Now that we have applied the LOC cleaner on top of the shoe polish, now we'll take the cotton handkerchief and wipe off the entire LOC along with shoe polish from our hands. Here you can see that the entire shoe polish has been transferred from my hand on this cotton handkerchief. Now without applying any more of LOC product on this cotton handkerchief, let's try to remove this stain from the cotton handkerchief. So we'll just put it in water and rub it with our both hands. Now as we can see that without applying any additional product on top of it, the entire shoe polish stain is gone from the cotton handkerchief. So now we will be doing the Zoom concentrate demo. For this, we require shoe polish, lipstick, oil and Zoom concentrate, and of course a tile. First of all, what we do, we take some shoe polish and rub it over the tile. Secondly, we take the lipstick and rub it over the tile again. And then we take some oil and pour it on top of the tile again. Then we mix the entire stain together. It looks very greasy and definitely it will take some time to be removed if at all we are not having Zoom concentrate with us. Now here we have the dilution of Zoom concentrate which we need to spray over this tile 2 to 3 times on this stain, and then we wait for 2 to 5 seconds in order for this Zoom concentrate to be absorbed into the stain and help it degrease. And then with the help of a cotton handkerchief, we just wipe it clean and we can see that the tile can be seen shinier and shinier as ever. So now we will see the Sa8 pre-wash spray demo. For this, we require a cotton handkerchief on which chewing gum got stuck. So now what we need to do is, we need to spray Sa8 pre-wash on both the sides of this fabric like this and like this. And then we can keep this handkerchief for 2 to 5 minutes so that the stain can be removed. So now that we have kept the cotton handkerchief for around 5 minutes from now, let's see what happens to the chewing gum stain. We can just scratch it with our fingernails, and we can see how easily the chewing gum gets off from the handkerchief. So now let's see Amway Home dish drops demo. For this we require one straw, Amway Home dish drops, one glass of water and a tray. For this, first we need to put the straw in the dish drop product, and then we need to just put it in the glass of water, and then we can blow it with our mouth. Now you can see that lots and lots of bubbles have formed with the help of just 1 or 2 drops of dish drop which was there in the straw, which clearly shows how concentrated and value for money your product Amway Home dish drops is.